Parliament on Monday passed an amendment to the constitution that allows the government to ban the public events by the LGBTQ plus communities, a decision that the legal scholars and critics call another step towards authoritarianism by the populist government. Also, the amendment, which required a two-third vote, passed along the party lines with 140 votes for the 21 that were against it. It was proposed by the ruling Fitz KDNP coalition led by the populist Prime Minister Viktor Orban. Ahead of the vote, the final step for the amendment was that the opposition politicians and other protesters attempted to blockade the entrance for parliamentary parking garage, with the police physically removing the demonstrators who have zipped ties and to bind themselves together. The amendment declares that the children's right to moral, physical and spiritual development supersede any right other than the right to life, including that to the peaceful assembly. Also, Hungary's contentious child protection legislation prohibits the depiction or promotion of the homosexuality to minor aged below 18. The amendment codifies a law that is fast-tracked through the parliament in March that bans public events held by the LGBTQ plus communities, including the popular Pride event in the Budapest that draws thousands annually. The law also allows communities and authorities to use the facial recognition tools to identify people who attend the prohibited events such as Budapest Pride and can come with a fine up to $546. Also, David Beidou, a lawmaker with the opposition Momentum Party who participated in the attempted blockade, said before the vote that Orban and Fitz for the past 15 years have been dismantling democracy and the rule of law, and in the past 2 or 3 months we see that this process has been sped up. Also, he said that the election approach in the 2026 and Orban's party lag in the poll behind a popular new challenger from the opposition. They will do everything in their power to stay in power. Opposition lawmakers used air horns to disrupt the vote, which continued after a few moments. Also, Hungary's government has campaigned against the LGBTQ plus communities in the recent years and argues its child protection policies, which forbid the availability to minors or any material that mentions homosexuality, are needed to protect children from what it calls the woke ideology and gender madness.